thinking you need years of coding or a fancy degree to land a 10 LPA job in data science. I thought the same, but after working with hundreds of students and professionals, I discovered the fastest, most practical path to get there, even with zero experience. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do it too. What you will get if you watch till end. Career map. So 3 stage career path is there. Then list of skills, tools and project you can build on. Project ideas. You can work into those project ideas. Then how much time it could take to complete you from 0 to 1. Then common mistakes to avoid. This is the 3 stage career path, like 3 levels. First one is foundation. You have to work into your foundation skills first. Then build some of the portfolios. And once both the stage is completed, you can move to the third stage where you can look for a job or work as a freelancer. In stage 1, which is called as a foundation, so you can learn the Python skills, Excel, statistics and SQL, or we call as SQL. So these are non-negotiable skills you have to learn. On stage 2, portfolio projects. Build 3-5 real projects using pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn, power bi, etc. So you have to work into real experience. Then on third stage, you have a hands-on experience, you have a knowledge, you can start looking for a job. So you have to prepare your resume, share your details into LinkedIn and start looking for a freelancing jobs. Most people either skip stage 2 because they have to work more hard into the stage 2 where real hands-on experience needed. When you work into the real projects, it required lots of efforts there. So in that case, if you do not follow the stage 2, it's very rare you will able to get a 10 LPA job. So please don't skip stage 2. You need depth and clarity. Skills, tools and project you need. Skills and tools like Python. In Python you can learn NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, SQL, then statistics and EDA, exploratory data analysis, machine learning. Multiple algorithms is in machine learning. One of them is sklearn, then Power BI, Tableau. You can showcase your project to GitHub, you can upload there. Then for deployment you can use Streamlit or Flask for showcasing your project. Then these are project ideas like Salesforce. First one like sales forecasting for an e-commerce store. Second one customer churn prediction using ML. Third one Power BI dashboard for product insights. Fourth one resume screening using NLP. NLP stands for natural language programming. And the fifth one loan approval prediction. So here your goal should be have at least 3 portfolio grade projects with dashboards or visual outputs. Upload them into GitHub or Kaggle and your portfolio website where you can showcase your hands-on experience or projects to the real world. Then how much time it could take you to achieve this. So on the first month you can learn the basics like Python, SQL and statistics basics. On second month you can work into Power BI and build at least 2 real projects. On third month you can learn the machine learning, you can prepare your resume, you can showcase your project to the GitHub and start looking for a job. If you put at least 1 or 2 hours daily, it can help you to get it done in 90 days. Even if you are a working professional, you can achieve within 90 days. And if you are a fresher, I hope you will be able to dedicate more time. So to give your more time and try to complete as soon as possible and start looking for a job. Then common mistakes to avoid. Watching too many tutorials, like you are just learning but not implementing it, and how many tutorials you are watching, so it will not help unless you implement it. Then not sharing projects online, so whatever the expertise you have get working into the projects, then showcase it to LinkedIn, GitHub. Stop thinking too much, or you are just thinking but not starting. So start at least. Then ignoring job specific skills, like along with technical skills, you need some kind of soft skills also to deal in interview. So use a storytelling format, domain specific skills. Instead, all this build fast, show your work and ask for feedback. So even if you are doing any mistake, ask for a feedback, learn from your mistake and move on. Hey, if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe, and share with your friends who is stuck or confused. See you in the next one. Thank you.